Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important topic that is uh, factory design pattern guys. Factory design pattern is one of the mostly used design pattern into Java development or in any application development. And also if you go for any interview, factory design pattern is the most frequently asked question guys. And definitely, if you answer this question very smartly or very nicely, so definitely the interview panel will select you in that interview, and you can crack the interview, and definitely you can get the package around 15 to 20 LPA, guys. So we will discuss about the concept like what is the factory design pattern. So as we know that in Java, like there are multiple types of design pattern, guys. See here, suppose these are like multiple design pattern as you know. Let's suppose here there are usually three types of design pattern like creational design pattern, structural design pattern, and behavioral design pattern. So in creational design pattern, there are five design patterns like singleton design pattern, factory design pattern, and abstract factory design pattern, builder pattern, and prototype pattern. And same in structural pattern, there are seven design patterns, guys: adapter design pattern, bridge pattern, and composite pattern, decorator pattern, facade pattern, flyweight pattern, and proxy design pattern. And likewise, in behavioral design pattern, there are chain of responsibility design pattern, command design pattern, interpreter design pattern, iterator design pattern, mediator design pattern, momento design pattern, observer design pattern, state design pattern, and template method pattern, guys. And so there are 22, 23 design patterns available in Java. So here there is we are talking about today about this factory design pattern, which is belong to creational design pattern, guys. And believe me, this is the most used design pattern in Java application development, and it is mostly asked into the interviews as well, guys. So let's talking about the detail about this design pattern. What is the core concept behind this, guys? So usually it is a what is the factory design pattern, guys? Factory method design pattern also we say this. So it is a creational design pattern, and it create a centralized interface and their implementation classes, and it don't create objects directly using new keyword. It delegate the object creation logic to factory method or factory class or a special class or method, guys. This is the main concept of the factory design pattern. It will use factory method or factory class to creating the multiple object. So the factory method decides which subclass or object to be created as per the user need, as per the user request, guys. So here is the some simple real life example, guys. So let us suppose you go to any Domino's pizza, guys. You want to order some pizza, okay, guys. So usually I will explain you by proper diagram this logic, guys. See, suppose today you have your birthday, and your some friends ask to give for a pizza treat, guys, a pizza party. So suppose you went together with all your friends to Domino's Pizza. So Domino's Pizza, you will go to the pizza counter, guys. So after going to the pizza counter, you will order some pizza like any pizza, like you order peppi paneer, or you order chicken pizza, or you order margherita. So, but you will just give order to this pizza counter that I need like two peppi paneer, I need one chicken pizza and one margherita pizza. So you order to the counter, and then counter person will just serve your order by using this pizza factory. Like they will give to the main cooking kitchen factory to they will we need this many number of pizza or this type of pizza. So you will just give the here the request and order, and it will this pizza factory will prepare that particular pizza and it will serve to you and your friends, guys. So you will be happy after that. So this is the basic concept. This is the core logic behind the factory design pattern, guys. So let's see this. I have implemented in the code as well, guys. So I will explain you in code wise so that it will be clear all the points. So here, like I have implemented one centralized interface, like interface picture, and I have given one concrete method white cook, and I have created the implementation classes like paneer pizza and chicken pizza. They are implementing this pizza interface, so it will be overridden this public void cook method, guys. And say I have created this factory class or factory method, and it will create the different types of pizza, guys. So let's see. I will show you in detail into uh, this IntelliJ, guys. Okay. So okay, let's so here after coming to IntelliJ, guys. So here I have created one proper implementation of this factory design pattern, guys. If you understand this, like your all the points will be very clear, and you will understand very well what is the actual the factory design pattern, guys. So here, see, I have created this main class. Main class, like where you will go for order. Like this is the picture counter class, guys. So picture counter, you will just give the order here, and internally it will only call this factory method, and this will create the picture. So here, like picture counter there, I'm creating this picture factory method internally. And so here internally it will use this. mm, picture interface, guys. Okay, so let's see, this is the picture counter usually, and just for calling this internal implementation method I have used this. And so let's see it to the how it is implemented. So first I have defined this interface, one picture centralized interface. It will have one method cook, so it will cook the pizza. So, and I have implemented this another subclass, guys. This is a Pepi Paneer implements pizza. So, Pepi Paneer implements pizza interface. So, it will override cook method, and this will cook the Pepi Paneer pizza, guys, for you. And likewise, I have implemented this method. This class chicken pizza. Chicken pizza will implement pizza interface, and this will override the cook method, but this will cook the chicken pizza, guys. Likewise, I have implemented this Margherita pizza. Margherita pizza also will implement pizza interface, and it will override the public wide cook method, and it will prepare the Margherita pizza for you. So likewise, I have created the three subclasses or implementation classes for this centralized interface picture. And but here I am creating one factory class. This is the most important class, guys. This is the most important class for the factory design pattern. So here factory class usually will have this method. See, guys, factory class will have this method. This is the factory method, guys, like get picture. Suppose I am taking a get picture. This method is the factory method because this is returning this centralized interface type, guys, interface picture. This will use internet dynamic dispatch concept and method overriding, so it will dynamically it will call this from the picture interface. So it is returning the centralized interface type of picture based on the input of the user or customer, which picture type they are going to order. Suppose they are ordering Peppi Paneer, so this will return this Peppi Paneer object. And suppose they are ordering chicken pizza, so it will return the chicken pizza object, guys. Return new chicken pizza. It is returning new Peppi Paneer. Sorry, guys. So likewise here this will return the Margherita pizza if the user will order this like user will order margarita, so it will return the margarita picture, return new margarita picture. It will return the object of the margarita picture, guys. And so how it is dynamically it is getting called, it will be called from the main method here. Like I have created this pizza counter class. This is the main method, guys. So this is main class. Usually all the execution start from the main method. So here it is creating the object of this pizza factory class, guys. This is the pizza factory class object, and now this is just for printing. Welcome to Domino's Pizza, suppose, guys, and these lines are for printing some extra lines, so looking for better, guys. Okay. Now here see, we are calling this factory method by this factory object, guys. This object reference using this we are calling this using factory reference, we are calling this get pizza method dynamically. So get pizza will be called based on this what type of pizza they are ordering. Like get pizza order peppi paneer, then it will call this pizza one dot cook. This method will be called, and this will output the cooking of peppi paneer. And same way, we are here calling this factory dot get pizza, and here it will input, it will give the chicken pizza chicken, and it will create the second pizza like chicken pizza, guys. And but it will also use the same method, pizza to dot cook method, like it is defined into pizza interface, guys. And now here it is calling the third method for margarita, like factory dot get pizza margarita we are passing, and it will call the pizza to dot uh, cook, it is the uh, cook, like it will return the chicken pizza, guys. Okay, so here this is the pizza 3, guys, suppose. Okay, but all the three like calls will be returned from this dynamically from this picture factory method, guys. So let us see what will be the result or output for this application. So I'm running this application. See here, guys. See, it's returning welcome to Domino's Pizza, and cooking a pepper paneer for you, and return cooking a chicken pizza for you, or cooking a margherita pizza for you, guys. So this is the logic. So this is the main, here the main logic is we have to define a centralized interface, and we have to define all implementation classes, and we have to create a factory class. This is the most important, guys. This concept is most important. You have to understand very carefully this logic, and here after that we can implement any number of uh, like uh, subclasses. Like it is just I have implemented three, but as per requirement, you guys can implement any number like 5, 10, any number of like subclasses or implementation classes can be created. So this was the core concept behind the factory design pattern, guys, and this is very important concept and very easy concept, guys. You just practice once or twice, you will be very excellent on this topic, guys. And still, if you are facing any doubt or any confusion, please ping me or just like drop me your question. Definitely, I will help you guys and I will answer your questions. So here, guys, like one thing, okay. So here the key points in factory design pattern. So this is the key points and this is the explanation. So what is the goal? This is the main goal of the factory design pattern is to hide object creation logic from client, and benefit is that losing loose coupling. It is easy to add new classes without changing the client code, guys. And what are the common uses? Common uses are Spring Beans, JDBC connection factory, logger factory, these are the common uses for the factory design pattern. And why is factory design pattern so much important, guys? So it reduces the tight coupling between the classes and make your code easy, easily extendable. And it encapsulates object creation logic at one place. This is the main advantage or important for the factory design pattern. And here are the real world examples framework like Spring Bean Factory, guys, Logger Factory, Log4j, SLF4j, and Calendar.get instance in Java, and JDBC driver manager.get connection, guys. These are the factory method implementation, guys. I hope so. Most of the points are clear, guys. If you have any doubt still, please comment me or ping me. Definitely, I will help you on that point, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching so far this video, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel so that I can add some more values in my videos, and I can uh, create some more videos and more important coding logics for you guys. Thanks for watching so far, guys.